how to do WordPress migration site very easy. Step by step, following step by step. First you go to your own website, not like my site is here. I go to here. I can see my posts around here. 198 posts. So you have to install 2 plugins. It is slow. New plugin. You just click here. Yes, you install here. This one, this plugin. You can see here. This one. This one. All in one migration site. You can see. Then you can install it. And add to. Okay, after that you have to do the export. The export, go to all migration site and then export it. Here you can export the file. Just click on the file and then waiting to finish. To finish. After finish, you will see. Okay, I export. It's ready here. The file, and then you have to import this all the content from your old site to the new site. Okay, follow me. Once you have to go to your cPanel and set up the new site. Just set up only. You don't need to do anything else. Just installation application. Okay, you can take the WordPress. And then you click on install this application for your website. Okay, you can select the domain like this one, and then you just click install. You don't need to set up title or anything else. You have to do it later. Wait until to finish. And then you can see you have now content, set up content, all about you can see here, set up. See just hello world, or you can see the full of the new website is here. Okay, so I exit, close this one. I just click this one only. Okay, and then I have to install plugin all in one SO. Migration site, new. Here, install. 2, and then you have to import. Okay. Note here, the maximum upload file only 8 megabyte. So if you want to get more, you have to go here, let's download here this file, basic file. If you want to buy more, here, nice time. So you have to download this file because you have already this file. It's over 8 megabyte. Yes, 127 megabyte. So you have to download that file. Okay, all in one ready, and then you have to install. Okay, I take it out for you to see. You have two files here. One, all content from your old website, and one is all in one WP migration site. So you have to go to your WordPress site, and then you have installed that one plugin more. Upload, and then you choose this one, and then install, and then active plugin. Okay, after that you have to import your content. Import one, yeah, and when to finish. Now it's finished. Okay, you can see we proceed. Just a minute. Okay, now it's working. Your content from old site to the new site is working. You can check it. You can see. And after that, what you want to do, you have to edit, like editor. You have to edit like a chronological, verify, or something more. Look at that. Look like my internet so slow. You can check it. Here, you have to delete all this keyword out. From here, from the head, you can delete all, and then you can correct all this keyword. You can correct all this, the important. You have to edit thing, permanently. You have to delete this one. Yeah, you can save this one, and then you can edit name of the website, and then you can, yeah, the customer. Here you can edit review logo or title. Okay, thank you for your watching. The next I will do about SEO and other.